How do I find last year's AGI in Jackson Hewitt account? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser and on the search box, search for jacksonhewitt.com and press enter. On this web page, you want to head over to login/sign up and then select My JH account. Here, you want to enter your username or email ID, then enter your password and then click on the sign in option. Now, the IRS uses your adjusted gross income or AGI from last year's tax return to verify your identity when you e-file. You can transfer your AGI automatically when you file with the same account you used last year. You can also find your AGI on last year's tax return. You will need the original return you filed, not your amended return. You will find your AGI on line 11 of your 1040. If you cannot find your return from the last year, you can request a free tax return transcript from the IRS using their Get Your Tax Record tool. Visit irs.gov, click on your tax record on the home page and follow the instructions. You can also search tax transcript in the search bar. Once you get your transcript, enter the amount from the line called adjusted gross income. If you still cannot verify last year's AGI for e-filing, you can always print your tax return and mail it to the IRS. If you have trouble finding your AGI on the platform or through your documents, consider reaching to the Jackson Hewitt online customer support. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.